The biggest goal when trading in the stock market, your biggest goal when trading in the stock market should be not to lose money. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. You can go to BestStockStrategy.com and enter in your email address to receive over $400 worth of free training materials. And in this video, we are going to discuss why people, when they trade, have the wrong goals. There are a lot of fake gurus on YouTube who make it seem that trading and investing in the stock market is a guarantee. They make it seem that there is no way you are going to lose money. The reality is that anytime you risk your money in order to have a payoff and have it invest so that that money will grow, there is a decent certainty that you are actually going to lose money. There are some products like trading forex or day trading or investing in penny stocks where the odds are extremely stacked against you. It's almost better to go to the casino. Then there are other ways and other products that are offered, such as selling option premium, where you can structure your trades and win 90 to 95% of your trades. However, even when you sell options, there is no guarantee that you can actually be, or that you will be, a profitable trader. I received a comment which said that when you trade options, you can make money for a year or two and then you can lose everything in like 5 days. And the reality is that if you are undisciplined and you're not patient, then that's actually true. Because if you run into a situation like we had in December of 2018, where the market was down around 15 or 20%, then people who get complacent and greedy and they trade too many contracts, they will be forced to close out those positions for a large loss. However, in our situation, while we did lose money in December, we made almost all of it back in January. And then in May of 2019, when the market was down around 9%, we actually made money. I had one of my students send me a screenshot that said that he was up around 4.5% from listening to my alerts in May. And the reason is that we do not overtrade because we are always scared of losing money. I think people have an incorrect perception of traders as being in front of 8 or 9 computer screens and then being super active and frenetic and jumping in and jumping out of trades. That's not how successful traders make money. Instead, successful traders are almost like hunters, where they know that they have a limited number of bullets and they choose their targets extremely wisely. They select the highest probability with the largest payout, and then that's when they shoot their shot. They don't jump in and waste ammo on something that's not going to yield a substantial amount of meat, or they don't shoot at something if there's a high probability that they're going to miss. Successful traders, they always have fear that there's a possibility that they're going to lose money. And I feel that too many people on YouTube are overconfident because they read headlines like turning $600 into $8,000 in 12 hours from a guy like Leo at tradingoptionslive.com. And they think that if this person can do it, then everyone else can do it and that it's super easy. It was funny, around just 2 or 3 days ago, I met these guys in the sauna of this building. And they were visiting, I think, from California, and they were staying at one of the local hotels, and they got a pass to the sauna. And I was listening to a podcast, and then they struck up a conversation with me. They told me that they were forex traders, and then they are running a website with an education company. I don't want to call them out on it because I feel like they're pretty much nobodies, and it's going to give them it'll give them a lot of attention. But these guys are clearly scam artists, and then they were trying to establish a relationship with me. And when something that they told me was kind of like, it was a little bit disgusting. They told me that people want to see regular people like themselves be successful. So when they give the impression that they're normal people and that they've achieved some type of success by trading forex, then it's very easy for them to establish trust. And they said that they got a lot of their a lot of their customers by running Instagram ads. And it's just, I think that especially with a product like forex, where your probability of making money is probably like 1/10 of 1%. I showed you guys a study where only 500 out of 360,000 day traders. This study was done in Taiwan and also in conjunction with University of California at Berkeley. So 500 out of 360,000 day traders are able to consistently make money, and of those 5,000, they only earn 5% above simply holding an SPY index. So technically, I could hold the SPY index and then sell covered calls against the ETF, and I would be like the best day trader. I would beat the returns of probably like the best day trader in the world just by implementing that super simple strategy. Go long SPY and then sell covered calls against it. But in any case, I can tell you that the biggest trading mistake or the biggest goal when trading is to not lose money. And 90 to 95% of the people, they do lose money. So you always have to have that fear. Even when you're selling option premium, there is a possibility. And if you don't respect the market and you get too greedy, then there is a possibility where you're going to run into a buzzsaw like we saw in December of 2018 and May of 2019, where if you are not disciplined in your opening trades, then you could lose money. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I read everyone's comments, so if you leave a comment, then I will also read it and I will respond to it. Please let me know your biggest goal when trading. Let me know again what your biggest goal is when trading. I will read it, I will respond, and yeah, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel.